If you're an Outlook user, chances are your day revolves around emails, meetings, and calendar juggling. Sound familiar? Let's simplify that. Here are 7 powerful ways to use Outlook with Calendly to reclaim hours in your work week. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to work smarter, not harder. Number 1, connect your Outlook calendar with Calendly. Let's head to calendly.com and go to the integrations and apps page. We're going to search for Outlook, select Outlook Calendar, and click this blue connect button. Here we're going to have to authenticate, which should only take a minute. And once Calendly and Outlook Calendar are connected, Calendly will automatically check for conflicts, which means it's only going to show your available times and it's automatically going to block unavailable times based on your Outlook calendar, and it's going to add net new bookings directly to your Outlook calendar. So both of your tools stay fully in sync with 0 extra effort. Number 2, add your Calendly link directly to your Outlook signature. We'll head back to Outlook for this one. Go to Outlook Settings. Here, select Signatures and edit a signature to add a Calendly link. You'll notice that I'm adding my quick sync meeting type, but you can go ahead and add any Calendly link that makes the most sense for you. Let's save, make sure the signature is applied, and now, anytime I email someone, they have the option to book time with me in just one click, no need for the back and forth. Numbers 3 through 6 all have to do with the Calendly Outlook add-in, so let's download the add-in first and then get into the tips. Let's head to Tools, Get Add-ins, and search for Calendly. We'll see Calendly for Outlook pop up. And if for some reason your Outlook and your add-ins look a little different than mine and you're having trouble getting to this screen, no problem. Just search Calendly for Outlook in any browser tab or from the apps and integrations page on calendly.com, and you'll be able to find this easy peasy. So you'll click add, and then once this is added, every time you are writing or replying to an email, you'll see this Calendly icon right here. And now for the tips. Number 3, share your availability from the add-in. So here on the Event Types tab, you can access all of your meeting types, and you can copy a link and drop it straight into your email like this. That's the simplest way to share your availability. You can also share a single-use link. If you've never used this before, they are great for protecting your calendar because they expire just after one booking. But my favorite way of sharing availability using the add-in is through this button, Offer Time Slots in Email. If you click this button, you can actually customize the exact times you want to share and drop them into your email like this. It looks super polished and professional, and it saves your recipients a few clicks because they can just scan and click to book. Also, it gives you full control over exactly which times you want to offer. Number 4, book meetings in real time from the add-in. I'm not talking about sharing availability here, but getting a meeting scheduled and on the books now. So say somebody emails you and they want to meet tomorrow anytime after 2 p.m. Hit the reply button, click that Calendly icon, and now use this calendar icon button to book a meeting. This will let you book a meeting in real time. All you have to do is select tomorrow, anytime after 2 p.m., add your contact in, book meeting, and easy as that, the event has been booked and invites have been sent to both parties. And you'll notice, if I head to my Outlook calendar, that updated right away. Why is this better than booking straight from Outlook? Because you booked a Calendly meeting, which comes equipped with reschedule and cancellation links, as well as any other reminders or workflows that you have automated and set up. More on workflows in tip number 7. Number 5, join and manage meetings directly from the add-in. Let's head back to the add-in. And in the Meetings tab, you'll see you can join current meetings, reschedule or cancel upcoming meetings, and follow up on past meetings, including marking someone as a no-show or booking a follow-up. Number 6, view and manage contacts with the add-in. Head to the Contacts tab, click into a contact to see your meeting history, when you're meeting with that person next, and to share your availability or book a meeting with a specific contact. Number 7, automate communications from your Outlook email address. Let's head back to Calendly for this one, the integrations and apps page, and search for workflows. Let's select Outlook for Workflows, click Connect, and we're going to have to authenticate one more time. Now, once we're authenticated and connected, let's go to the Workflows page. So note that this is a paid feature. Everything else I covered in this video is free, but it is so worth it. Let me show you why. Workflows are essentially email and text templates that you can send to yourself and to other people to keep everyone super organized and in the loop. Let's set up a thank you email as an example, and I'll show you how it works. So here you can customize when this thank you email sends. You can personalize exactly what it says and pull in these different variables. And you can set this to send from your Outlook email address. Now, every time this thank you email sends, it's going to show up in my Outlook sent folder, and any replies are going to go directly to my Outlook inbox. This keeps everything in one place for you, and it makes things a little bit more personal for your recipients because they're going to get an email from you instead of a no reply email address. There you have it, 7 impactful ways to use Calendly and Outlook together to up-level your scheduling. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button to follow along for more productivity tips. And let us know what your favorite tip was in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.